Should we continue to use the Electoral College? Okay, before we answer that question, you have to understand what it is. The Electoral College was formed in the earliest days of our country. Representatives from each of the 50 states are chosen by the people to elect a president. The candidate with a majority of 270 votes wins the election. It does seem confusing these days why the president isn't just directly elected, especially since other politicians like governors and senators are. But they have to remember that the college was formed in the 18th century, and back then direct democracy, indeed any democracy, was still new and untested. Of course, that was in the 18th century. And as this Gallup poll shows, direct democracy is more accepted these days. So, what are the problems with the college? The first problem is that candidates can win solely on the electoral vote. This has happened 4 times in history with John Quincy Adams, Rutherford Hayes, Benjamin Harrison, and more recently, George W. Bush. While this is a small number of presidents, it proves that the popular vote isn't always necessary, and to modern Americans who see the popular vote as vital to democracy, this is disconcerting. Another issue is the fight over battleground states. Candidates can win if they have the majority of these states, so campaigns focus mainly on them, which discourages people in other states from voting. There is a solution to this problem: direct elections, which can be done very easily with modern electronics. This Pew poll shows that most Americans have such devices and can vote from them. Those that don't can use automated voting machines at their local voting centers. That info can then be sent to a database in Washington to be processed and determine the winner. The electoral system is flawed and there are alternatives to it, so it should be replaced.